What makes this project unique really is that we work together with anglers. We mark fish, we improve the habitats, we jointly sample the fish, we interpret the data together. So the anglers are the citizen scientists and we do the data collection together with the anglers. So we empower them to also think about how to improve biodiversity, how to conserve threatened species.
One very important outcome of our joint work with the anglers was that we could show really that the anglers changed their attitudes and norms towards fisheries management. For example, in the past, they often used fish stocking to enhance fisheries, but now they move towards habitat enhancement, which benefits not only fish but also other taxa. One of the biggest outcomes of our joint work to enhance their habitats was that the fish increasingly use these habitats and the abundance of fish is increased. One could also show that fisheries management done by these angling clubs increases the species diversity of fish, using native fish, not non-native as often assumed. So we have 7 to 12 species of fish in the managed lakes, while the lakes that are left untouched only host 3 to 5 fish. In one of our newest projects, we could show that protecting of large fish rather than the small fish is beneficial for fisheries management. Traditionally, there is the tendency to remove the big fish because they're assumed to be less productive. However, we could show that this is not the best strategy and we would advocate for the use of harvest slots rather than minimum length limit. More and more fish actually have had an experience with the hook. And this creates fish that are shy, that are less able to take the hook. So in the end, there is a race between anglers on the one hand and the fish on the other hand who learn to avoid capture.
That's really unique. In addition, we communicate that knowledge using various forms and means that are tailored to the target groups, such as comics, movies, podcasts. We had publications, we did a road show and a series of seminars, and thereby we reached not only anglers but also policymakers, decision makers at national and international level. My kid's dream was to become the world's best angler. That didn't come true, and the reason is that I really suck at fishing. So I'd rather become a theoretician. I talk about fish. It's much easier than catching them.